Ebusuya Honorable Kennedy Akompio Akwe Japan Central Region 4 Eyinama. Training story e ho say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia me no ka say or Central Region na obo apro na okoko pie mu e wo Cape Coast. We na Kennedy Akompio Akwe Japan ne campaign team members wo Cape Coast. Awo me adwuma de ma no omo say Honorable Kennedy Akompio Akwe Japan enye obi o kan okre oyo torofo e odadafo nti omo timi ni adwuma biom. Awo no ka say dey omo fi Honorable Kennedy Akompio Akwe Japan camper omo ababa kan Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho de say amene o ka say omo say omo e de omo support ene omo vote ene omo ho de nyina no e betai Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi na chile say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia etinya be the flag bearer of the new patriotic party na ebusuya enya asem ketua. You see me share video no one thing na e catch him say ane say Honorable Kennedy Akompio Akwe Japan Central Region yansha ono ani home region obelu so this time around because e kamya say Central Region 4 MP Honorable Kennedy Japan enimahwe mma meka sanwa yenko tie nsem a Honorable Kennedy Akompio Akwe Japan the campaign team members a e wo Cape Coast a o mafiri ne chabedi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia echi no nsem a o mo de tudwa eni de enti o mo gina so a o mafiri Honorable Kennedy Akompio Akwe Japan camp na o makwa join Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia e camp ha ye Ghana Nsem TV meeting a me jiso ne promise na catch you say me Facebook e promise the blogger, TikTok e promise the blogger, Instagram and afi no X and I say formerly known as Twitter and also e promise the blogger. Young room yentie nsem a e Honorable Kennedy Akompio Akwe Japan the campaign team members a o ma so echi e de aba Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia team no yentie nsem a o mo de to dua no embra
so bye man anum na meja anum enyubri yama wana adwo wajana yenwa doctor Cape Coast North ya sanema wakwaba yana yejina hey ya MPP for yetimu wo Cape Coast North ye duma so ye duma zan na ayaja hey na ani ya Canada Japan ene ye kanen enti yese boto abama me tu kunyim na ekati kunyim za kwani so ezaman Anybody say waha? Ozikano. Yabazikano. Yazin nase, yanin nase kasen. Yazama oya honorable Evans Donko. Oya coordinator. Honorable. Your Excellency, yourself. Sakwanja bana in your tubina, baby papa man. Osana wabwa jumason was Santa Region of Amao. Ya waseda yani chairman civil kodahin e wo bibia kaguna suom na ma kenchain osana yani he's the pillar of the constituency said am papa you are here constituency no you are enti e wa to body bia kwawan mahina yefi Kennedy Japan ya baba umian ayesu enyim benyam yani pa ban there nkunyim ti baya wote efi mana no meja no me bisa wona asam kor wo me fa kwa dwendwenim say I want the papa bi wo ho na ebi kogodo na elokotan na say wan san adecha ibeja da wan san edibu go na san aka ba fofra na wo ma yo twetwa da wa kan ya koton na fo kwim bla ya da wona say chabai ya da wona say
ebusuya. So that's the story and it's something that I've been thinking about since I heard this news. Me busa me ho say what is happening in Kennedy Japan's camp, because this is not the first people on mobile bontia or more Central Region or monzo say or more are switching from Kennedy to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now from what I'm gathering and some information I'm connect say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is likely to win Central Region with over 50.1% votes of the total valid vote caster casting on the 31st of January 2026. And after watching those videos and getting those information, I can actually confirm say Honorable Kennedy Akompio Akwe Japan is just wasting his time. If I was very close to him, I would have advised him to just step down and save the rest of money now or to invest in something different. Because the fact that the people that were campaigning for you every single day, leave your camp to join your opponent's camp, tells you that they don't trust in you, because maybe you might be incompetent and you are not fit for purpose, you are not fit for the job ahead. And that is the reason why I think they are leaving your camp every single day. So this is the time for Honorable Kennedy Akompeko Japan to sit down and analyze things and get to understand that the people does not want him anymore. Maybe there are people around deceiving him and making him feel that Ghana for be a pen. But that's the truth. They say is because of what they will get, and yet the reality and and that's what is currently happening now. Honorable Kennedy Akompeko Japan. That's not the only thing that is happening. I have another video that I'm going to show you from the same central region, and what some other people are also saying, the reason why they are leaving Kennedy Japan camp to join Dr. Bawumia's camp. This is another video.
So we are Dr. Bawumia fan. I saw more in Japan because currently Dr. Bawumia was central region now, and somehow a free hope and yes, I'm ketua. And from all indication, Dr. Bawumia is dominating the region. Dr. Bawumia is going to win the region. Now, I know about the Cheney Mammy and SC. It shows said Dr. Bawumia be in the region. So, central region, there were 23 constituencies. Now, every constituency has constituency youth organizer and a deputy youth organizer. And together, no, we have 46 constituency youth organizers and deputy youth organizers. But back when we 45 constituency youth organizers and deputy youth organizers. Now, out of 45, no, a more 30, that is 2/3, about 70%. Anna openly already declare support my Dr. Bawumia. We are just almost said them openly. They came out almost come who bomu. Ebesia Dr. Bawumia in the full glare of the media. There are videos. I declare support my Dr. Bawumia. So mobile twap, I'm over here, Jumama. I'm an every central region. Aside that, no, Oko Cape Coast no far. A year delegates a war no my J Judas campaign. I boss one more year campaign, mano. And Dr. Bawumia call her defected every Judas camp about Dr. Bawumia camp, and openly they've declared their support. In fact, they held the microphone, spoke to delegates and in the full glare of the media, in the full glare of everybody, declaring for Dr. Bawumia's combat to Abaman. And every delegate, every constituency at Dr. Bawumia Bekobia, you see people defecting from Judas camp to join his camp. Last week was the last 2 weeks. A futu constituency. A phenomenal constituency. Now Toshiko also a campaign. Ama a Canadian Japan. Almost shouting, yeah, Canadian beba. Now delegates not just so. Yeah, Bawumia beba. So you see, this is home region of Canadian Japan. But things are not going well for him. And that should tell you that Dr. Bawumia is winning the election hands down. Can call the Northern Party. Say, no more boy. He was so frustrated to the extent saying, "Of you not threatening almost say, oh, we need no money zero or constituency be out of a cost to Kumusi." Charlie, it is possible.
With whatever is happening, I can boldly tell you that the biggest mistake Honorable Kennedy Akompeko Japan a year say, Najin a man feel to say he was going to win the central region again. It seems like this time around the people at that junior coaching, and they have come to the realization that if they actually want to win power and the MPP party would come back to power there is only one person and that is Dr. Bawumia. That is what is making Honorable Kennedy Japan's work very hard for him this time around. That is the honest truth, unless you don't want to accept the facts. But if you actually want to accept the fact, that is the honest truth. And that is what is happening today. It's very sad, bro. But what can we do about it? There is nothing we can do. So, this is what is happening currently in the central region. And Honorable Kennedy Japan's camp, I was central region, no Kasedi. Ayadia Aya Agua, just say, in Yama Ayatin, Ediamo Honorable Kennedy Akompeko Japana. Yansha Papano from 31st January. Ebia, ebedding, so between Ababonting, Abekasabium, because Inimguase a ewo enimu a eba no enye inimguase ketewa. Asofo mo hye nkom so be wini nyina no, ende omo nyina nso say enya de Honorable Kennedy Akompio ko Japan ebetimi abe wini abe the flag bearer or even a president of the Republic of Ghana, which them say Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia someone a Yankopon no say obabe the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Therefore, Honorable Kennedy Akompio ko Japan is wasting his time, resources and money into no sankebeya in catch say on resign. So this is what is currently happening in the central region. Let me know what you also think in the comment.